For this video, we're going to explore how to adjust the climate control settings in your Lexus. From South Florida's sweltering summers to the wickedly humid winters, there may not be a feature that you use more than the climate control. So, to access it, you'll press the Menu button, which will bring up the menu options on your multimedia display. Then, using your touchpad, you'll want to select the Climate option. After, you'll be able to easily adjust the temperatures and fan speed for each person in your Lexus by swiping up and down. By selecting Seat or Steering, you'll be able to turn on and off the heated or ventilated seats and the heated steering wheel. Now that's nice and toasty. But that's not all. If you select Concierge, Lexus will automatically control the climate, seats, and steering wheel for you, which is super convenient. And finally, by selecting Options, you can activate the windshield wiper de-icer, turn on the Eco Heat Cool to get more MPGs from your Lexus, start the automatic AC, and turn on the dual mode to sync the driver's AC settings for the passenger. And if you're not interested in using your Lexus touchpad, or if you're driving, you can use the buttons to quickly adjust the climate in your Lexus. By pushing this button up or down, you can change the temperature. The button with the small fan will turn down the fan speed, while the button with the large fan will turn up the speed. This here is the Airflow button and will adjust the direction the air is blown. The button with the word Front will defog the front windshield, which is especially important if you want to actually see where you're going. And this button to the right will defog the rear window and rear view mirrors. Now, you're all set to keep your Lexus the perfect temperature on the inside, no matter what the temperature is on the outside. For more information on how to operate the climate control in your Lexus, please contact your sales manager, visit our website, refer to the owner's manual, or come visit us at JM Lexus. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on the latest videos from JM Lexus.